Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you the best deck for Arena 7 in Clash Royale to help you climb faster in Clash Royale. Let's get started. So, the best deck that you want to use is the Giant Prince Bomber setup. It's one of the strongest and the cleanest win condition decks in Arena 7, with an average elixir cost 3.4. Start your push by placing the giant in the back, then stack the prince behind him. The prince charge shot deletes a defensive troops instantly. You can add the bomber for splash support to wipe out the swarms defending your push. This combo alone can take a tower if your opponent misplays. For defense, you've got everything you need. Musketeer that handles all the air units, and goblins and spare goblins that distract, chip, and cycle quickly. Together, they give you a cheap, effective control so you can survive and counter push. You can also use a fireball for mid-sized threats like wizard or mini P.E.K.K.A. and arrows to instantly clear swarms such as minions horde or skeleton army. You can push the giant plus prince, defend smart, and keep cycling pressure to dominate the Arena 7. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.